Now previously we have send message, extract message designed for it. Now in this lecture we are going to find how we can create a chats. Now as I have previously discussed this chats have UID and there is message or person ID with whom he or she is chatting, but in our case this is group ID as this should be group ID. If I should rename it, I could not name that, but not worry about that. Yeah, what was that? Group ID last message. For now I am not dealing with this last message. I will remove this one, but timestamp when last message was updated or last chat was updated for those person. Yeah, this is okay. This could be created in two ways, either while joining group or while someone send a message to that group. If you have seen in any messenger, if you create a group, that chat will be shown instead of group. Previously we have deal with that group, but now we have to deal with these chats. Now for those we have to create that chats when our group is created or added. Let's go to main activity that we have created group. Yeah, here is join group. When I join that group, yeah, here is my group ID, and I should again make on task here. If the task is successful, then I will make this later. What I need to do is m database dot child, that is chats dot child UID as same as groups child, and that will be group ID, and child, this is timestamp, same as firebase. Dot set value server value dot timestamp. I will not add any on complex listener. Let's see if we have made that group info, and same as this we have to make this same chat instead of this user ID, group ID and timestamp. That is the chats activity. Yeah, if I am not wrong, then we could extract from this group information also, but no, I will not extract from that. Something I will do more consciously, let's say. But this is duplication of data. You could you may not use this data for now. Information you could directly add these chats. We have already created the chats, then we could easily form those. Yeah, but this is the record of joining time, and this is every time it is maintaining. So this is the difference here, that this is this change when our data change in our message, this will be permanent. It is the timestamp when we join that value. Let's remove all those chats as our work has been completed. Yeah, now we will make everything from starting, and this is join, and there should be create group. If I have that menu, create group, here I should have something. Yeah, here is same. This is create group. One create group is created, and like below, if I have, no, not below, like this one, copy and paste it. Group ID, that is time now. I think this is the time now. Child groups, that set name, set value. Time now should be groups. Group set name, name members, UID, time now. Yeah, this is same. Yeah, this chats has been updated. Now we will update those after message, but I will remove all those data. First of all, I will log out from my application. Let's view it. I will log out from this application so that I will create a new account here. First of all, let's rotate. Now I will run this application first of all, and I will remove all those data. Same for authentication. I will delete this. Delete this and see if I could this. It has been installed. If I am not wrong, it should be installed. Yeah, let's install again. Now chat will be created there, but we will extract it later. Now we should change these chats there. Yeah, I have been created. Let's see that. I will make new account here, name, it should be right one. Yeah, let's watch that ad. There is no group yet. I will create a group, name PEG, PE members. Now I will create this group created successfully. Then on database I should have those data. Now it is being loading. Yeah, this is group information, this is chats. Let's find that group. I have find that group. I could message here, send a message here. Hey, I am here writing the message in behalf of testing. Let's send it. Message has been sent, but some error has been detected there. Let's see what error was. How could I say that error? I will send this again. Yeah, no error. And this message has been updated. Let's take it charge fast. Where is the pin? Now I will create a new account. One, two, three, four, five, six. I will join that group. I think groups, as this is a group, and I will join that. 1572368778553. Join that. I have joined, and in chat I have already get those. Now I will extract these all the groups here on the chat, and there I will create an chat application. Let's extract that. I will make class chats, and here will be simply long timestamp. We will finish in this video all the things you could know for now, and I will create a layout resource file, single chats layout, same as single group layout. I will make this copy and paste of this. And height should be match parent italic, last update time, a single group name, that is group name. Already we have chat name. We will make this single chat name, and everything is right for now. Let's here constructor and getter setter. Yeah, this is empty constructor, this is constructor with the parameter, and these are getter and setters. Now if you are getting this now in chats fragment, here is chat fragment. I should create public public static class chat view holder extend recycler view dot view holder. Now I should implement some method. For this I will find here text view, there are group name and update time. Now I will find them until you will not linking this chat view with your activity, then up to then you will not get chance to update that. The name is equal to item view dot find view by id dot id dot single chat name. That was chat name, no problem, actually it is group name. Update time is equal to item view dot find view by id, so view by id r dot id dot time, last update time. Now this is everything set, but we should need many things. First of all, here I should make view v is equal to, I should make this here, sorry for this, I should make v here. Now if I had chat fragment, inside that fragment chat I should use recycler view. Let's copy from design, it will be best one. Yeah, id will be chart list, everything is okay. Now from our group fragment we should need those value. I will copy and paste this. I have done lot of things here, that are I have made this recycler view and this option as previously, and I have created these are recycler view and options layout, and this is firebase part. This I have made one things, this is reversing the layout from this chatting view, as we need stack to top, not at bottom. Something is happening, no, that was the previous I think, and this will reverse our layout and it will place at the top instead of the bottom. And same I have find uid and create query and order by timestamp, because we have only one child, that is timestamp. I think I have not timestamp, and everything I have done, and I have created view and inflate that single chat layout I have already create. This is our chat view holder. Now I should make chat list dot set adapter to adapter. Now we have not name, we have timestamp, we could copy this as we have already the formatted date value, and I will use simply this instead of doing time, is I should make this get timestamp faster. I should complete this chat and entering messages from here. Now what I could do is set holder dot update time dot set text to date. Now it will be this order by will be more sensible when there are more than one or two groups. I will create this and I will show you there, and we will message there. First of all, we will complete that, and here I have holder. It should give the key, that is key. Key is equal to, that is group holder. What is that? That was get ref from this database reference position. It will get the key dot get key position and ref, and I should make m database. This is pointing to root dot child groups dot child. This is key dot dot add value business listener new value event listener, and that is waste. Now string name is equal to data snapshot dot child name and dot to string, because this is in the form of object. Now what I need to do is holder dot set and gname dot set text to name, and I should make holder dot set on click holder dot item view dot set on click listener new on click listener. That could be the nice one. And what I have done on click listener was this one. I should pass this one from here, nothing to change because this is also nothing to change, just make it final. Everything is right. I should get that groups. Let's see. Let it be run. It has been installed. Let's see to charts. It should give me adapter has not been added to this. How could this be possible? Let's see. Two mistake I have done. This this should be false, otherwise it will give error. And here I have forgot to set layout manager. You could pause this video and look this code. This is the code. Let's see. Here I will scroll small time. Everything is nice, and let's see. If you see here, this is the last date I have updated, means when sorry for this to state, and I have not get value, dot get value, and it should give me here what was that, this is data snapshot key value is equal to p members, something has been given here. Yeah, this is the value of this. I have get this value. Now when I click this, yes, I should make like this background to something, color should be given. It is up to you how you could give this color. I will give background color to something, message, single, chat group. Yeah, to as 3E4DD. Oh no, charts layout, and this will be wrap content. Yeah, this will be color as FF. It will be different from their margin. I will give 5 dB from everywhere. It will be differentiable from everywhere. Now on click listening, for that if I click here, I should go to chat. Yes, it has sent me to chat. If I back, it will take me to group, but our goal has been fulfilled. And one thing is, remember here, when I send message from here, then it should update to every member. For that we have to do is, let's go to message activity. Here where that message was, yeah, this is send button that one click listener. If this is successful, and then I will create something that is database reference, m database. I think there is m database. The child, that was child is groups dot child gid, dot add listener was single value event listener, new value event listener. It will listen for single value. Here I will use for data snapshot. It will be user, that will be data snapshot dot get children. It will get all the children and list. It will create a list in the form of user, and the list is of type data snapshot. From that I should get string key is equal to user dot get key. It will get the key. Then as before creating here, I think here is my main activity, and these things I have to make. If it is in message fragment, UID I can't, UID I have, and this is group ID, timestamp to timestamp, children key, for every key I have to make this. Now it should work for me, and I have not it should work. Let's see if it changed the time or not. Previously, let's see on the app, this is the time 22:33, but it was different. Yeah, I have to change something there in the form of time or minutes. Let's run again and let's see. That was same, but time was, I think, this is the time. Yeah, this is time. Again it has been loaded, 22 to 37, but if you look at 39, this is the when the user join the group. If I send a message here, hey, how are you, if I send from this send a message, this is 23:12 and same should be here. It hasn't been updated. Let's again chat for own thing, send a message. I will open this for now. It should update my time here. Hey, what was that? Oh no, oh no, oh no, that I have done silly mistake. Was this correct? What was that? Where was that? Where was that? Yeah, key, that child, that was members. Yeah, that was members. If I am not wrong, for groups, that was members. This members contains lots of members, so I should access that. Apply changes, it should apply directly. And I will open this too. Hey, this is final update, if I am not wrong. Oh, chat app has been closed. I will open this. What has been happened for that? I will debug that. Yeah, I have done mistake here. I should not place here. Here I have to place this to here, so that it was giving me some error about those. I have sorted out that. Let's see if I would get some changes. Yes, I will send a message to here. First of all, I will note the time here. This is 22:19. Let's see. A bug fish. I will send this. If I could send this, anything I could send. Yeah, emoji was not sent. Hey, this is options. Again it is being crashing for me. Why I don't know. I'll fix it again. Let's see. But there was no error. I have not find any error and this has been updated to this. Let's see again, and by clicking here I should get it has been moved to this place. Something was there mistakenly, time was not accurate. The time, let's send it. Yeah, that was previously some time issue was there in, I think server problem was there in 1970. Yeah, these two messages had been gone in spam, and this is the time last updated. Yeah, 2319, that was the time I have here in my phone. This is how you could manage chats here. Let's run by creating. I will create multiple of chats here. Let's see, I will create multiple of group. Till now I will pause. If you could see that I have created this 4 group. This has been arranged by time. This I have created first, second, third and fourth, and time was according to time of creation they are organized. And here also, here but they are organized in the form of time of updation. This is the time of updation, and in the form of latest to older one. Suppose this is the older one. If I send some message here, time now, and if I send this message and if I go back to this chat, this PE members has been updated to above, as we have change this by time, order by time, it will go to above as our message does. This is how you could make your group chatting application. Please comment or mail me about some changes on this app. I won't we cover single one-to-one chatting, like one person is sending to another in this application, because I have the module for it in Flutter application. Means developing Android application using Android and iOS both you could develop there using Flutter. I will cover in that both group chatting and simple one-to-one chatting. I will combine both on-to-one and group chatting there, and you could make a beautiful app like WhatsApp, and you could authenticate calling and video calling method there. We will if I could cover that also. Thank you for watching this series. We will find many things and many projects for it. I will be taking new series. Please give me the love for this series. Thank you.